Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you think you need millions of followers on Facebook to reach millions of people, that's simply not true. What actually determines your reach isn't your follower count, it's whether the Facebook algorithm chooses to distribute your content to the right audience at the right time. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy to train the Facebook algorithm to push your content to massive audiences, regardless of whether a page has 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers or 1 million. Because yes, you can influence the algorithm, and let me show you how. Let's dive in. Now, take a look at a post with over 128 likes and 58,000 shares. You'd probably assume that page has a half a million followers, maybe even more, but you're wrong. That page only has 32,000 followers. And it's not just one viral post, they have multiple posts reaching millions of people, and this proves something important. Viral reach on Facebook is not follower driven, it's algorithm driven. So, in fact, when a post goes viral on Facebook, about 90 to 95% of the engagement often comes from people who don't even follow the page. And that means the algorithm picked up the content and decided to distribute it widely. So the real question becomes, how do you get the algorithm to do that for you? So here's another example. A simple image post with 8,000 likes and nearly 4,000 shares, not a fancy production, not high budget content, just a simple format done right. So that page has around 91,000 followers and it's solid but not massive. Now, what made a difference? They found a format and topic that the algorithm loves, and that's the key. So, if you want massive reach, you don't need more followers. You need content that triggers distribution signals. And now, if your posts aren't reaching beyond your followers right now, there are usually two reasons. So, first, you might not have the right type of engaged audience, and second, Facebook may not have enough data to understand who your ideal audience is. So when you publish content, you want it to show to people who are most likely to engage, comment, react, watch, and share because engagement is fuel and more engagement equals more reach. If your page is monetized, more reach also means more revenue. And we call this system the Facebook viral formula. Think of it like a flywheel. Once it starts spinning, it builds momentum. And here's how it works. So, step one, identify your winners. You need to look at your existing content and analyze what performs best. So, which format gets the highest reach? Photos, reels, text posts, long videos, etc. Which topics consistently get comments and shares? Your own data tells you what the algorithm already favors. Now, if your page is new and you don't have much data yet, study competitors in your niche. Look at their top performing posts, what themes are repeating, what formats are consistently shared, what style of messaging triggers engagement. Now, you're not copying, you're identifying patterns. Now, once you've identified winning content, we move to the next page. So, we build a custom audience made of people who engage the most with those winning posts. So, these are your super fans, people who commented, shared, watched most of your video, reacted consistently, like your videos. These are the people who are most likely to engage again. So we gather them into custom audience using Facebook Ads Manager. Now this is where many creators hesitate. So they think running ads will hurt their organic reach. That's a myth. So when done correctly, ads actually strengthen your organic performance, and here's why. We don't run ads for months, we don't spend huge budgets. We simply take our best performing content and promote it only to our super fan audience. So this reactivates them. It sends a strong signal to Facebook like these people love this content. And when your core audience starts engaging heavily again, Facebook recognizes a pattern. So the next time you post organically, the algorithm is more likely to distribute the content beyond your followers. So it sees strong early engagement, it sees retention, it sees shares, and then it expands to distribution. That's how posts start reaching non followers, and that's how content starts going viral. So it becomes a cycle: engage superfans, trigger strong signals, expand distribution, reach new people, gain more engagement, and repeat. And the best part, you can set this up in less than 2 hours once you understand the system. So you don't need huge budget, you don't need a huge team, you don't need millions of followers. You need the right content format, clear performance data, a defined engaged audience, and strategic ad amplification. When you combine these elements, you're not hoping for virality. You're engineering distribution and reach matters, especially if you monetize your page. Facebook offers multiple monetization tools across formats like videos, reels, images, text posts, stories. All of them can generate income when your reach is strong. If your goal is to grow faster and potentially turn your page into a revenue asset, understanding how to influence distribution is critical. Now, to summarize, it's not about how many followers you have, it's about finding what works, doubling down on it, reactivating your most engaged audience, and using that engagement to signal the algorithm. Do that consistently, and you can reach millions even from a small page. And that's the strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Introducing PeopleBots. PeopleBots is your entire online sales, support, and coaching team. PeopleBots will learn your business and sell, support, and train for you. It can chat, it can even speak to your prospects. It can work 24/7 with no breaks and help you grow your business and get you happier customers. PeopleBots is the advanced AI website chat that your business needs today. It can be anyone you want it to be. It can learn and remember everything. Just give it instruction manuals, your knowledge base, or write a little document that tells everything PeopleBots need to know. PeopleBots help you sell, support, coach, speak. It can even work with human teammates. It will help you get leads, and PeopleBots learn continuously. PeopleBots can spark off the conversation by sending your customer a message. PeopleBots can integrate perfectly with your website's design. It can speak every language. It can also keep records of all chats. Like I told you earlier, you can customize PeopleBot's knowledge and personality, but that's not all. You can create many versions. You can create multiple bots, each with a different expertise and information to integrate on different websites or web pages. It has ready-made bots for you to use. No need to plug in your AI or bring in your API keys. Integrate PeopleBots in any web page in less than 2 minutes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get PeopleBots now. Just go to getpeoplebots.in.